Come, all you fellow Irishmen, and listen to my story of developments and happenings now causing great furore. They say Connacht's hills and valleys and St. Patrick's holy mountain are stuffed full of golden guineas, nearly ready for the counting. And the strange thing is that here and there are a few objectors who distrust the mining companies and frown on their prospectors. They don't seem to see our problems. We'll all find a new solution at the negligible cost of long-term chemical pollution. While the chosen few among us will be rich as old King Midas, and a modest price we'll all pay is some cyanide inside us. The improvements in our lifestyle will make everyone a glutton at the subtle taste of arsenic of Connemara mutton. Them big company directors will give ministers a handshake. Then they'll set the wheels in motion to transform the barren landscape. And the local men will be employed on JCB and dumper, but they'll carry off the profits to Hong Kong and Kuala Lumpur. Oh, they'll rip the landscape inside out and give the place a new look. Then them tourist types will come no more round Louisburg and Dulac. And there's no way you can stop it, 'cause they've won and they're gonna, and by God they'll leave their trademark on the hills of Cornamona. We'll be modernized and civilized, my God, it makes me chuckle. We'll repudiate the past and we'll forget all Kubla Fuckle. When the new golden God makes everyone a true believer, then we soon will see the last of the boss of Shanghai. I hope